Today you are going to learn about caves. Caves are formed by the chemical weathering of limestone rock by groundwater.
What is groundwater?
Groundwater is water that has been absorbed into the ground by percolation or infiltration.
Where does the water come from?
The water comes from rain. Acid precipitation is the source for some of the acid that dissolves rocks to make caves. The dissolved rock is carried away by groundwater, leaving a void. When the water table lowers, the void becomes exposed to air, and then stalactites and stalagmites can form.
What are stalactites and stalagmites?
Stalactites are mineral deposits that form at the ceiling of a cave. Water, with dissolved minerals, drips from the ceiling. The water evaporates and leaves behind a small deposit of calcite mineral. Over time, the deposit builds to form a stalactite hanging from the ceiling. A stalagmite forms on the floor of a cave, usually under a stalactite. The drop of water dripping off the stalactite drips to the floor, carrying the dissolved mineral calcite with it. The water evaporates to leave a mineral deposit that will build up from the floor over time, making a stalagmite. Stalactites hold tight to the ceiling while stalagmites push up from the floor with all their might. If the two meet and join, then it is known as a column or pillar.
What happens if the cave collapses?
When the roof of a cave collapses because the upper rock layers have weakened due to chemical erosion, a depression on the surface may form. This depression is called a sinkhole. The area of land where there are caves, sinkholes, and limestone formations is known as karst topography.